Hey, welcome again, and welcome to Ken's Small Church Tech. And as I sit here dreaming of summer and sunsets like this, I decided to put together another video using the FoMaKo M4 Video Switcher, but this time how to use it for live streaming directly from the switcher itself. So you don't have to go through any software, you don't have to go through OBS or vMix or anything else like that. You don't need an external any kind of external piece of hardware to do that for you. Obviously, there's plenty of those things out here. The FoMaKo M4 can do it all for you. So let me just switch to, there it is. All right, let me get out of the way here. And what we have here again is the FoMaKo M4 Video Switcher. What we're going to do today is set this up for live streaming. So as we go through the settings for this, what we need to have is we need to know where the switcher is on the network. And the reason for that is we need to have that number right there, 192.168.7.116. This is the IP address that the router gives this particular switcher. So we're going to keep that in mind. So from there, we're going to go to our Chrome or whatever you prefer to use for a web browser. All right. Once we're in Chrome, what we need to do is go to our URL, and we're going to type in the number for our IP address for the switcher. I'm going to go there, and it's going to bring up the web control. All right, right here is the area that we need to be dealing with. So what we're going to do, we can actually put in two different live streams, and it could go to two different locations. We're going to do one to my YouTube channel here. So what we need is a server address, which is going to be an RTMP, and we're going to need a stream key. So let's go find them. So I'm going to go over here to my account and go to create. We're going to go live, and that's going to bring up the YouTube studio. And we could have these set up ahead of time if we were doing these on a regular basis, which is what we do in our church. We have somebody that comes in here, sets up our each week, and then that allows us to link them ahead of time to Facebook. We have it right now. We are basically trying to go live right now. I'm using my testing stream. I got that set up here. And we need this code right here, the RTMP, which is our stream URL. And we're going to copy that. We're going to come back here. We're going to Control V, YouTube Live RTMP. We're going to save that. Now we need the stream key, so we're going to go back to YouTube Studio. And the stream key is right here. So we're going to copy that. I want to take a look real quick. DTGD right there. That's going to disappear. We're going to go up here and put that in place of whatever was there. And we get the DTG at the end, and we're going to save that. So now we have our stream key and our address, and we're going to go back to the YouTube video. And right there, it's still waiting for us. All right, so I'm going to come right over here to this button right here, the stream button, and I'm going to push that. And we are live with the green button. So I'm going to come back over here to my YouTube studio. Get me out of the way. And we are live. You can see me in the background. You can see me right there and get me out of the way. There we go. And then we'll come back over here. Come back here, bring that back up. We'll go back one more time to YouTube Studio, and you'll see it switch. There's a little bit of delay, which is expected. And we are live with excellent condition. When you get done with your stream, come up here to the right, hit the end stream, end it. Close things out, dismiss, dismiss. And then you're going to come back over here and shut down the stream. and you're good. Now, a couple other things that you are going to want to think about when you are setting up your stream. You might want to just see if you're unlisted or public, and that's going to be an important topic here. And you do that by going into the edits, and then you can come in here and edit the description if you got any kind of things you need to say there. What you're going to be is visibility is private, unlisted, public. I left mine unlisted so that nobody could see that I was practicing like this. We can go to, is there any restrictions, categories, if you got a thumbnail to put in there, if you want to put what playlist you want to put it to within your categories. You have to answer a lot of these questions. And when you're done, you can put some tags in there. You hit save. And then you're back to here. And then that's when you can go live. So there we are. We have it. And I'm going to get back to my dreaming days. And I'll see you next time. And God bless.